Hi there, welcome to our channel. If you want to log out from your X account, then this video is for you. First, you have to open your X application. Then you just need to tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, and then from here at the left side you'll find a navigation section where you'll find settings and privacy. Simply tap on it, and at the very top you'll find your account. Click on it, and then you just need to tap on account information, and in this section you'll find a logout option at the very bottom in red color. Whenever you click on it, and it will ask for confirmation. As soon as you click on this logout button here, it will log out you from your account on X application. That's how you can log out on X account easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.